Hi everyone, my name is Gary Arns from DeWitt, Michigan, and this is my little buddy Stinky, and we had the fine honor of being here at the Gerald Museum for ArtPrize, and hopefully you guys folks are all having a great time. Stinky and I have been together for about 7 years now, and I picked her up in northern Pennsylvania. The chainsaw carvers around who up there. She's been with me ever since. Once in a while at events, she might get a little upset because sometimes ladies might have perfume on, and go figure, he doesn't like the smell of perfume or whatever. If I'm up in Pennsylvania in February for a rendezvous, a lot of people have fur coats on, and goodness gracious, Stinky does not care for fur coats either. Go figure. But I just want to hope everybody has a happy ArtPrize. And I'm here with Barry Mad, my carving over there with bears and a few other various items. Had the fine honor to meet some great people here at Gerald Ford and all around ArtPrize. Amy, my friend Dwayne, and other various people and artists from around the country. We're honored to be here. Thank you. Happy ArtPrize.